Hi everybody, Laura here from Razor's Edge Wig Boutique in Timmins, Ontario. I'm here today to do Ellen Villa unboxing. They just came in. I just had a little bit of a quick peek, so figured I'd share with you guys. This one is called Rule in silver gray mix, which is a 5660. Look at her density, not a high density at all. Her neckline, I'll show you when I do my twirl around where it's sitting. The neckline's sitting there. I'm a size 22.5 head. Really cute little bob, very natural looking little bob. This is a basic cap. This, like I said, this one's $259.95, $33.79 taxes, so $294 and 30% off for the month of February. And every time you purchase a wig from me, I always give a styrofoam head or a plastic wig stand, whichever you prefer. So again, this was Rule in a silver mix. This is her inside. Basic little cap. She's got a little bit of a mono crown. Really pretty little wig. Really pretty little wig. Up next, I've got this gorgeous, this beautiful beach wave wig called Taboo in lavender rooted. Now Taboo is $329.95, $42 tax, so $372, and again 30% off. Taboo has a little bit of a lace in the front where the part would be, and a crown, a little bit of a mono crown. Look at that color. Isn't that a gorgeous color? It's got a little bit of the lavender with the silver through it. Just that hint of lavender. If you like a little bit of color, but not overdone. And look at that wave. Very, very beautiful. This is the roots. This is the little bit of a lace. You can see where the lace is. I'm going to do the twirl around so you can see her back. So again, this one, Taboo with tax is $372 minus 30% taxes. Okay, up next, I've got Girl Mono in rooted champagne. Girl Mono as a lace front mono part. She's got a really beautiful curl pattern to it. Curl patterns, though, often you'll find are hard to get exactly the same from wig companies to wig, or even sometimes you'll have two of the same and they're a little bit different looking, but this is what this one looks like. This is the curl pattern, the rooted style. I'm just going to do my twirl around so you can see her. Tucked in just so you can see her a bit better. If you like more of a beachy wave, then you would take your white tooth comb, but if you like that construction, more of a high curl, you don't want to work with her too much. And with the lace front, you can always you know, get her to go that way, you know, give her that form, but I'm not playing with her more than I have to. So this was Girl Mono with taxes $384. Girl Mono minus 30% off. Again, all these 30% off for the month of February. And up next, the final one I have to show you today is called Alive in sandy blonde rooted. Let's do a color comparison. This is the champagne rooted. This is the sandy blonde rooted. So you can see the champagne is definitely a warmer color than what this is. Your inside mono part, but a fairly wide one. Even here a little bit, it's not completely open cap. Beautiful, beautiful wig. It has a little bit of the box feel to it. She just, like I say, they just came in. I didn't have a chance to really look at them. I want to do the unboxing with you girls. This is her close up. Just playing with her a little bit, seeing what you can do. You like a little bit more height, you can. Any new wig you get, you you grab it, give it a good shake, you know, once it's out of the box, just to get that cold set that it sometimes gets in the box. So Alive with taxes was $4.18 and 30% off. If you're interested, you can message me on Facebook, or message the site, or give me a call at the salon, whichever you'd like. So I hope you all have a fantastic day and that you enjoyed this unboxing with me. You take care. Bye.